I'm going to show you how to solve a system of equations on a calculator. So a system of equations is something like this, where you have two or more equations, and we want to figure out what x and y value make both of these true. So the two main buttons we're going to use are second and this x to the negative 1, because above x to the negative 1 is the word matrix. We're going to use something called a matrix. So second x to the negative 1. We first need to edit our matrix. So over to edit, and then enter. So we have to tell it how large of a matrix we want. So to decide that, I have two equations. So that's going to be 2 by, move it over. Okay, and then to decide how many, there we go. I'll have to hold it like that, I guess. I have 1, 2, 3 terms in each one. So that's going to be 3. Enter. Alright, then to fill this in, I'm going to take the coefficients and the constants. The coefficients are the numbers in front of the variables, and the constants don't have any variables next to them, usually what they're equal to. Alright, so I'm going to go 3, enter. Now this minus sign makes the 2 negative, so I'm going to type in negative 2. Don't use the minus sign, use the negative sign. Right there, negative sign. Enter. And then 2, enter. 5, enter. Negative 5, enter. 10, enter. Alright, now that's going to save it. We need to quit out of this. So to quit out of it, I'm going to hit second mode, because above mode is the word quit. So second quit takes me back to the home screen. Now we're going to tell it to do a calculation with that matrix. So second x to the negative 1. I'm going to move it over to math. Now the one that we want to pick is actually choice B. So we could scroll all the way down till we get to B. It's called ref. Not ref, not choice A, choice B, ref. You could also do alpha B. Enter. Now we need to tell the calculator which matrix we want to perform that on. So second x to the negative 1, and we want to perform it on matrix A. So enter. I'm going to close my parentheses. I don't think you have to do that, but I like to. And then enter, and it gives you another matrix. And the numbers that are on the right are your x and y values. So x is negative 2, and y is negative 4. And that solves that system.